Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I have a very special video in store for you. I am going to do a tutorial, but it is inspired by Jaclyn Hill. She did a really cool blown out pink eye tutorial, and it was just so different and so bold, but also just looks so fun, and it really inspired me to try to do it myself. I am going to be tweaking it a little bit just because I don't have all the same products, and I'm just going to be very much inspired by it. And yeah, I think let's just jump right into the video. So for this look, I'm definitely going to do the eyes first. She did her foundation first, but I'm not that brave, and I want to do my eyes, especially since it's such an intense, dramatic look. So first things first, I'm going to tie my hair back because I don't want to get annoyed by it. I'm going to start by just filling in my eyebrows. I'm going to do a pretty bold brow because it is a very bold look. My brows look crazy when I only have just them alone done. Okay, but anyways, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. And then I'm just going to put any kind of translucent or my skin tone powder all over the top once I'm done. Okay, so now that our eyes are nice and set, we can move on to the fun part, which is doing the eyes. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with a transition color. I want to keep this very pink and purple, but I just want something in my crease just to help blend out all the other shades. So I'm going to take a little bit of this orange here and then really tap off my brush, and then just go ahead and drag it through my crease. So the thing that actually got me into makeup, and the reason why I chose to do it using a Jaclyn Hill tutorial, is because she is the first YouTuber I ever watched and was like, oh, this looks like a lot of fun, and like I want to play with makeup and be creative with makeup and try this out. Like, it really got me inspired to, oh, I put too much down. It really got me inspired to like go ahead and just like try using makeup and stuff. And it honestly, she taught me how to do my makeup, because before what it is now, which it's not perfect now, I still have a lot more I can learn and like improve, which is part of the fun. But you know, I was going in blind, pretty much, just zero skills, and she basically taught me everything that I know how to do. And she also inspired me to start my YouTube channel, because I kind of teetered on the idea for a while, but then finally I was like, just do it. Just go out there and do it. Doesn't matter if you're perfect at makeup or you're okay, like just do it for the sake of doing it and having fun. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's like a very kind of like peachy-ish shade, and I'm just gonna go in my crease again with that. So now I want to start bringing in the pinks. I feel like if I wanted to meet any celebrity, it'd probably be her. It would probably be her. There we go. Plus, not only do I like how she does her makeup, I just like Jaclyn. Like her as a person. She seems like she's very down to earth and genuine. Okay, I think we have a good solid base down to build upon. So now we're gonna really dive into those pinks and those purples. So I'm pretty sure like in her video she did go down with like a light peachy shade first, just to help blend it out. That's why I kind of went in with the oranges and like the peachy color, I guess. Okay, so next she kind of went in all over her lid with a purple shade, and then I'm probably gonna do some more work in the crease afterwards. So I'm gonna start off by taking this purple in the palette right here, and I'm gonna use my finger, and I'm just gonna pack that all over the lid. It's gonna be kind of interesting to see how this look turns out, because I am using different products, but also because me and Jaclyn are clearly not the same skin tone. But I feel like a lot of people feel like because somebody might be lighter than them or darker than them, the looks aren't gonna look as good on them. I think it's just about altering it to like to go with your skin tone better, But also, don't be afraid to try it at least, because, you know, it's just makeup. At the end of the day, you can always just wipe it off and try again and change it up to figure out what works for you. Now that I've got the initial color packed on with my finger, I'm gonna zoom you in. I'm gonna go in with a brush and just pack a little bit more over top. I kind of dabbled into a similar look when I did my collab with Clarice when we were doing Disney inspired makeup on her channel, and it just encouraged me even more to like try to recreate it more true to Jaclyn's on mine. So I'm gonna go in with this really bright pink in this BH Festival palette, and I'm gonna take that first in the crease because it is a very bright pink, as you can see. This will just help to blend out the purple and kind of fade it into that orangey crease base that we had going on earlier. Once it got blended out to where I want it, I'm just gonna drag it down just a little bit. Just so some of that pink kind of blends in with that purple. Now I'm gonna intensify that purple on the lid, but I want it to be even more poppy. So I'm gonna go in with this purple shade right here. Again, on my finger. Oh yeah, look how much brighter that is. I'm actually gonna go in on the fluffy brush we were just using and dip into that. Woo, it is looking very intense. But I kind of want to also bring some of that pink in the crease down a little bit, so I'm just gonna dab into there. I'm gonna tap into that pink again on the same brush, tap it off a little bit, and then I'm just gonna go over the eye, bring some of that pink down a little bit. I'm gonna go with that first blending brush that we were using with that light orange, and I'm not gonna put any additional product on. I'm just gonna use it pretty high up and just make sure everything is blended nicely together. Because if you're gonna do a look like this, you're gonna have to blend it. You can't avoid it. You're gonna have to do it. So let's quickly get our face done, and then we will come right back to the eyes. I'm gonna start by cleaning up the eyes a little bit. First things first, I'm just gonna make sure my lines under my eyes are pretty much cleaned up so I can have a good guide of what not to hit. Just gonna go in with the Hard Candy Coconut Sheer Water Primer Stick. I'm gonna go in with my Born This Way foundation because I'm pretty sure this is the same one that she used in her video. I forgot how like nicely this blends out. Like even with the Beauty Blender, it doesn't take very long. That same Makeup Revolution concealer just under the eyes, nose, and forehead. And then I'm gonna go ahead and powder my face using the Perfect Setting Powder by Cover FX, the one which I think she used in the video. I got this e.l.f. powder brush, and oh my gosh, it's so soft. This brush is so nice. I'm gonna put a lot of excess powder under my eyes just because it's going to help us avoid any fallout that we're gonna have when we finish off the eyes. So we're back up close and personal because we're gonna finish off the eyes. The next thing she went in with was a orange eyeliner, and she used a liquid lipstick to accomplish that, but I don't have any orange liquid lipsticks that I know are safe to use on my eyes, and we're gonna skip it, but we're gonna inspire that oranginess by doing a very blown out orange lower lash line. I incorporate some of that pink that we have on the top, tie it all together. First, I'm gonna take a little bit of this electric shade. It's like this really bright baby pink, mixed with a little bit of that peachy shade that we were using earlier. And just bring that along my entire lower lash line. And then once I have that down, I'm gonna go in with a very orangey shade. And I'm gonna take this one right here. It's the most orange one I have in my collection. And I'm gonna take that really tight to my lash line. I really like how that looks. It looks really cool. And then I'm gonna take a really, really tiny brush, go into that like hot pink we were using earlier. And I'm just gonna put that right on the outer edge, just a little bit. Not really going over the orange, I'm just trying to go a little bit below it. But also connecting it up to that top lash line a bit. Get rid of any excess powder. And by powdering your face early and putting extra under the eye, any of that fallout will just brush right away. I'm gonna give my face a spritz using the Morphe setting spray just to soak all this powder up, and then we'll move on. Okay, you know what will really tie this eyes together? Just a little bit of mascara. And by a little, I mean a lot. So I'm gonna go in with my Essence Lash Princess mascara. So I just went with some mascara. I feel like that really makes a difference. Jaclyn did false lashes, and I feel like that would really take the look to a whole nother level, but I want to show you guys what it would look like with just mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight the inner corner of the brow bone. I'm just gonna take this shade right here. It's like a nice white gold. I'm gonna use another Jaclyn Hill brush, which is this one right here, to bronze my face using my favorite Milani bronzer. Once I got this brush, I like have not put it down when it comes to my bronzer. Using that powder brush that we were using earlier, I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit. So she went with an orangey and a pinky blush, so I'm gonna take the e.l.f. palette and I'm gonna take this shade right here, that bright pink. I'm gonna mix it with some of this bright orange, which is one of the e.l.f. mineral blushes. And then for highlight, I'm gonna take this highlight by Kaleido Cosmetics. And I'm gonna take a nice fluffy brush from e.l.f. just because I want the highlight to be everywhere. On the Cupid's bow a little bit. This isn't really my favorite place to highlight, but I know it's one of the places Jaclyn likes to highlight, so when in Rome. Then just a little bit on the bridge of my nose, as well on the tip of my nose. A little bit of nose contouring. Don't worry guys, we're almost done, we just got lips left. Okay, so she went in with a nude liquid lipstick and then topped it off with a gloss. Sometimes my nude liquid lipsticks don't really look like nudes on me because my lips are two different colors, so I am just gonna go in with a gloss. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. gloss in Mocha Twist to finish off this look. Okay guys, and that finishes this look. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed my follow along slash I was kind of just inspired by Jaclyn Hill, inspired blown out pink eye. I had a lot of fun. I think the look looks really cool. Hopefully you guys do too. And I will see you guys next time. Please make sure to like, subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, hit that bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video. I upload a new video every Monday and Thursday. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.